Haven't made a video for a little bit, so I thought I might pull over just out on a ride on my trusty steed, my Indian Chief Dark Horse, and just give you a bit of an update as to what's happening, why I've been a little bit quiet of late, and what's coming up soon. So what's been happening? Well, as regular viewers of the channel will know, I've been trying to save up some money for some more mods to the bike. Number one being the new mufflers. I want to get some Reinhardt slip-on mufflers for the bike. That's going to cost me around about $1,200, so that's on the list. I want to get I want to make up a sissy bar for the bike. I'll have to make up some sort of plate to go here. And I'm thinking maybe something laser cut would be cool if I design something laser cut and then buy a sissy bar kit from TC Bros, which will come up I want it to sit up about that high so that I can sit a bag on the back of it upright, and that'll do me for some touring. The seat I'm super happy with. That's the so far that's the Saddleman Renegade Solo seat. I'm super happy with that. Handlebars I'm happy with. I just want to do mufflers, the Reinhardt slip-ons. I want to do a sissy bar, and then I'll have to do some sort of pad or something so I can sit the bag just rest on top on the guard there. And then I think I'm pretty well done. So with that, Phil from Whoop Tui, regular viewers will also know I've introduced Phil to the channel before, recently, the last video actually. Phil's donating a sign for Patreon members, and it's a giveaway garage sign for the Bikes I Like logo, and this is what the sign is here, and I'll be giving that away this month. I'm going to do it as a Christmas Eve draw, I reckon. So yeah, I'll draw that Christmas Eve. And Phil kindly, knowing that I'm trying to save up to get these parts and bits and pieces, has offered me some design work for his business and his companies. Yeah, I've been busy doing some stuff for Phil, and the more I'm doing that, earning money, the less time I have to make videos. So that's my focus at the moment, just get the work I can to earn the money I need to buy these bits and pieces. So if you see that the channel is a little bit quiet, it's because I'm working. I will do I fit videos, and I'll slip them in where I can over the next few weeks. But yeah, the probably next month and a half, I'm going to be sort of busy working for Phil, doing stuff that'll be taking my focus. And because as I said to Phil, I tend to really focus on one thing at a time, and if I'm working on someone's project, then that gets my full attention. If I'm working on my YouTube videos, then that gets my full attention. So thanks again, Phil, for being such a great supporter of the channel. And again, if you want a chance to win this garage sign, all you have to do is become a Patreon member. Well, I think that about covers it. I'll talk more about the helmet once I get some more miles on it, but so far it's shaping up really nicely. Get off there, fly. Yeah, it's comfortable, great visibility, great clarity, and it's a lightweight feeling helmet to wear, and fits my head really well. So thumbs up for the Arai so far, and a big thumbs up for the Saddleman seat as well. I've put a Saddleman logo on my helmet. Because Saddleman deserve it for making such a great seat. Now, I'm not sponsored. I paid the full price for my seat, but yeah, just really liking it, really enjoying it. I think it looks great on the bike. It's comfortable so far. I'm going to do a longer trip to catch up with Phil next Friday, and I might record some of that, and that'll give the seat a good test out. But yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. Alright, I'm going to call it quits there before the flies start to bother me too much. Beautiful out here. Even on a day like today, it's still great to get out in the countryside and just have a bit of a ride around and look around. We've got some warm weather coming up this next week, so some hot days. Summer's definitely on its way, and I reckon we're going to get a bit of a rough bushfire season this year, but temperatures for our area hasn't sort of been any sign of it being like that so far, so it must be going to ramp up soon. So let's see what happens. Anyway, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you for your continued support, and until next time, bye for now.